Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Dear guys and dear teacher, disregard, I hope you are very well. I'm going to answer the random question. What do you want to know when you diet? I always have said what is more important now home you are going diet that how you going diet. I have heard many times after this that there is resurrection. There is resurrection in animals and there is eternal life. But if belief and really religion, the only right is that deed comes to everyone, regardless of skin color, religions, culture, and or at any company. The person who kids is saving their they are now capable of investigating in life. They have a necessary resource, but they are not able to guide each other a good meal. This is unknown and no one has been able to discover what's happening after that. They have tried to collect possible testimonies. People who have reached an unknown place and give testimonies. The important thing about all this is knowing that there is only one life and we must make the most of it in order to live new experience. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you, teacher. Guys.